Derek with the Eliminex. We see a lot of discoloration. Oh. Well, we have the...
Can you have a look?
I see. Well, no, you won't be able to see. I'm going to show you the... oh, yeah. The homeowner. Homeowner here wanting to come look. Be careful. Be careful.
Okay.
They got a lot of discoloration here.
Why here's many?
It looks like animals running around. There's urine. That's what it looks like. I see trails. Somebody put some blown-in insulation to cover up something, or I don't know.
What is it for? For what?
It's yeah, something was going on because they took some insulation up and then they put some recycled insulation. They blew it in. Maybe some energy efficiency. And they got a fan here running. I'm going to take a look. I do smell urine up here. I'm going to go further out. I can't see the beams. It's very hazardous.